This is the easiest chocolate cake recipe with a little bit of English practice. You only need 4 ingredients: bittersweet chocolate, butter, sugar, and 6 eggs. I'm using a springform pan. So first we use some butter to grease the pan. Now we are going to melt the butter and chocolate in a saucepan. Now we start to preheat the oven. Now I'm going to crack the eggs and separate the whites and yolks. I'm trying to save this. All right, got it. And now we are going to beat the eggs. First the whites. And now we are going to beat the yolks and sugar. Now we pour the chocolate mixture into the yolks, but I forgot to shoot that part, so it's already there. Now we need these whites and we fold them into the chocolate mixture. As it is nice and fluffy, we are going to pour it into the springform pan, ready to go to the oven. It rises in the oven. Now we let it cool. It goes down, but it's completely normal. It's supposed to look like that. Don't eat everything, and remember to do the dishes.